Hi, my name is Darren Joseph from HEJ.tax, and we're the team that seeks to demystify that sometimes confusing world of international tax. And today we have the honor and privilege of having a fantastic conversation ahead with Ricky and Todd. Ricky, would you like to introduce yourself, please?
Sure. Yes. Well, my name is Ricky Gutierrez. I work at Gutierrez Pujadas and Partners, an international tax accounting and legal firm here located in Barcelona, Spain. And well, we're mostly focused on
Okay.
international clients, also Spanish clients. And we'll be here to kind of answer most of your questions related to taxation in Spain and also a little bit in the US.
Fantastic. And Todd?
Hi, everyone. My name is Todd Cowan. I am a certified financial planner and executive director at London and Capital. We are a UK headquartered wealth management firm with a unique regulatory approval that spans the US with the SEC, the UK with the FCA, and the Spanish financial regulator, the CNMV, allowing us to provide regulated advice truly cross-border. And as of 4 months ago, I now live right down the street from Ricky in Barcelona, Spain.
Wonderful. US expats living in Spain also need to file US tax returns. And the obvious answer is yes. But as a nice segue from that, obviously the president elect has made mention during the campaign that he was going to get rid of expat taxes for Americans abroad. Do you have a view on that, Todd?
It's interesting because I had heard it during the campaign a couple of times. More recently, I've heard people that feel like that it's not likely that there might have been a campaign talking point. I don't know if you want to go so far as to say promise that may not be actually executed on. But the reality is that there are a number of lobbyists and groups overseas that are certainly making their voices heard to try and abolish that foreign or that kind of expat filing requirement and the onerousness and the burdensome of it. And we'll see.
From my point of view, I kind of agree that it seems unlikely at this point for a number of reasons. I think most important for us is we think that from a US government point of view, dealing with Americans abroad is less about revenue collection and more about data collection because a lot of the forms really hinge on collecting data. And we know that it's important to the government because the penalties for failing to do so accurately are quite draconian. That to me speaks to the emphasis that they place on it, especially post 9/11 through the Patriot Act, the implications for national security. So it seems pretty important. And then when we look at the Tax Cut and Jobs Act back in 2017, which sought to make corporate taxes territorial in nature, there were some good initiatives, but it didn't quite hit the nail on it. Not so much from certain multinationals who fit into that box, maybe, but on average, no, you didn't really get that territorial tax effect. I think that even if some initiatives were to be launched on the individual side, it will be less than perfect for the reasons mentioned. But we'll see. Next year, it's just going to come soon enough. If someone wants to reach out to you and consult with you, what's the best way to do so?
You can either reach out to me on LinkedIn or you can reach out to me via my email address at todd.cowan at London and Capital, all spelled out.com. We also have a website, London and Capital, and the and is very important. Make sure you do not forget the and or the ampersand in our name, because there is another institution out there that has some financial, unrelated to us, that has some financial troubles. And you want to make sure it's London and Capital, and you'll be able to find it.
Fantastic. Thank you. And Ricky?
In terms of myself, you can also find me on LinkedIn, and also you can send me an email directly. My email is ricky@gpasoc.com. Ricky, it's RICKY. And you can also find me on our website. We do have a website with Gutierrez Pujadas and Partners in Barcelona. So you can send an email to our website. You can send a consultation to our website. And obviously, me and my team will be able to reach out to you, and hopefully we'll be able to help you with any issues that you might have.
Thank you very much. And my name is Darren Joseph, htj.tax, and we'll see you next time.